How's it going, everybody? Check out this badass 1970 twin turbo Restomod Chevelle. Has a little over 1,600 miles on it without one issue. Right around 720 horse. Probably at about seven pounds of boost. Nothing too high. Can easily be turned up. Shade firewall. LS3 motor, built for boost. Billet hood hinges. Precision twin turbos. HRE wheels with Z06 brakes. Nitto tires. 305 fronts and 335s rear. Tux bumper. Custom made front spoiler. Some of the better gaps you'll see on a Chevelle. I've driven this car a lot. I'm a big fan of it. All red interior, backup camera, front camera, full sound system, electric cutouts, Dakota digital gauges, vintage AC and heat. Everything's working like it should. Electric e-brake. Goes from mile to mile real quick. Full chrome delete. Sound system all hidden back here. Jams are gorgeous. Perfect. That's about it, everybody. Give me a call at 916-856-7931 or check us out at victorylapclassics.net. Thanks.